Hey everyone, building my new shop here in Colorado. It's going to be a small shop, but it's come along really nice. Got tools on pegboard, so already life is good. As I'm building it out, you can see I've got my shop vac hooked up to my saw and whatever else I need to hook it up to. However, a lot of dust, of course, getting picked up in there. The vacuum needs the filter cleaned out often. And back at my other shop in Georgia, I've got a front stage Oneida dust collector, and yay, I got a new one here ready to be installed. Let's open this bad boy up. For those who haven't ever used one of these before, I highly recommend getting a front stage in front of any dust collection setup you've got. It's amazing how much the filters get clogged up, which I think everyone knows. But just in a really short amount of time, you could end up reducing the suction power of any vacuum dust collection system you have drastically as soon as all those fine particles hit your filter. So in addition to trying to get the vacuum to work faster, you also, just a lot easier to empty something like a 5-gallon pail than dealing with opening up that the vacuum or dust collection, whatever you've got. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. You'll see what I've got, and I'll be showing you how it works when I hook it up to the vacuum here. Well, through the miracle of time-lapse videography, I'm back, ready to hook this up. That took all of, 6 minutes to put together. Really not complicated at all. You just got to put the wheels on and the gasket around the top for the most part. To hook this up to your vacuum is not complicated at all. Unplug the hose, it's currently going to your tools. Plug in this bad boy directly into the port where the hose goes. This, which goes to the tools, plugs right into this bad boy. I'm done. That's all there is to it. Less than 10 minutes. I've got a front stage connected, and when I turn on the vacuum, it'll blow through here. This is going to the tool, all the sawdust coming in, spirals in the top. There's a special section up here which rotates it around. It is a little far away from where the import is that goes to the vacuum. So all the dust is going to spin around the outside of this container and drop to the bottom, while all the air just kind of continues on through. I'll go ahead and make a couple of cuts, and you'll see how it works. Well, in the video, I was hoping you'd be able to notice all the dust swirling around up in this top cyclonic area here. May not show up too well in the video, but what does matter is that when you lift the lid and take a look, after just a couple cuts through a 2x6, look at all the dust that's been collected in here. So I've got plenty of suction coming through the vacuum because the filter is pretty clean, and all of this did not go into the vacuum. Well, obviously, once the shop gets built out, we're making a lot more dust. Don't have a table saw here yet, or almost anything else. Once it is, this low pro dust deputy is going to be filling up fast, and I know that the filter sitting over here is going to be staying pretty clean. I do highly recommend getting one of these. This is my 4th Oneida dust collection first stage, and I am very happy with them. If you have any other questions about my experiences with these front stage dust collectors, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer every question you may have, and happy woodworking.